This is our part 2, and now I'm showing you how we are going to do on our downer part. Now we ended previously when we were putting, like we were making this double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So this time we are going to make 4 double crochets, but this is the way you're going to do them. Just watch, then after I'll leave you to do it on your own. Now you're going to put 1 double crochet in that V stitch. You add another double crochet, then you chain 1, you add another double crochet in the same V stitch, and you put another double crochet. So that is how it's going to look like. Now we are going to the next V stitch, and in this next V stitch we are going still to do like this. You put a double crochet, another double crochet in the same V stitch, you chain 1, another double crochet in the same stitch, and another double crochet in the same stitch. So those are 4. You will go to the next one, you put 1 double crochet, 2, chain 1, 3, 4. So that's all you're going to do here, like the way I've done, and this is so far how our work is looking. And by the way, I told you I was going to use hot pink and green, but after I looked at it and like it wasn't giving me a clear color blending, so I decided to go all the way pink, hot pink, nothing more. I'm not going to put, maybe on the borders I'll see if I'll put a different color, but for now this is what I'm going to put. Maybe I'll put white on the border. Let us reach there and I see how the dress will be looking. So continue doing the same. In the next V stitch you put 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Then you go on the next one, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, like that until you reach here. So let me find you here to show you what we need to do on the next row. So I've reached at the end, and in this last V stitch I'm going to put a double crochet, another double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet, and another double crochet. There are 4 double crochets now. Then to end I'm going to just put a slip stitch here in this chain. So on the next row we are going to chain 2 and put double crochet in the middle. You're seeing this one has 1, 2 double crochet, a chain, then another 2 double crochet. So we'll put in the middle here where we chained. It's where we are now going to be putting our double crochet. So it will be 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1, another 2 double crochet in the same stitch. That is it. Let me show you again. One double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1, another 2 double crochet in the same V stitch. Let me show you the last time. you go in this in the next shell stitch. There is 1, 2, then in the middle here we are going to put there another 1 double crochet, 2, chain 1, double crochet again, 2. So that's all you're going to be doing. You're going to be going in this in the shell stitch where you're seeing 1, 2, you in the middle you put there 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. You go in the next one, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet until you reach at the end. And when you reach at the end, you just slip stitch. On the beginning of the next row, you chain 2, you go in the V stitch here in the shell stitch, the V you put there 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. So that is what you're going to do until the length you want. So make according to the height of the baby you're making. You're going to make the downer part to the length you want. Then I'll meet you there to show you what we need to do on the borders. Yes, and our dress will be done. Okay, then see you when I come back. So now I've reached on the level I wanted, and I've made, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows. And now I'm going to end by making a slip stitch here at the end, like that. So since I don't want to show like where I ended, I'm going to continue like making some more slip stitches, like maybe around 3 to 4 slip stitches, so that I fasten off and we continue with something else. So yeah, I think this is enough. You just go doing slip stitches. So that's enough. So I'll just fasten off from here and cut the yarn. So I remember when I was starting, as I told you, I was like, I'll use white and green rather, and what, and hot pink. But after I looked at it and I thought like, no, it's better to just do one color. So I did one color on the hot pink, yeah. And I've decided I'm going to do the other the finishing on the arms. The finishing on the arms, I'll make it with white. So this is my robin yarn, and it's what I'm going to use. That white part I've told you, I'm going to just do single crochets on the arms using white, and this time I will not do a double strand, and I'm not going to use this 4.5 millimeter. I'm changing to this one. This is a C 3.0. That's what I'm going to use. Now I'll put my slip knot, and I'll go on the arms. I want to have that simple nice white design, so I'm going to do like this. I'm to join. I'm just going to put I'm going to be putting a single crochet all around. So just continue putting a single crochet on the whole arm, and I'll meet you at the end to show you what we need to do. So I've reached at the point of under the arm, and in these two I'm going to be have to put 2 single crochet so that I don't reduce on the side of the size of the armhole. Yeah, so here I'll just do a slip stitch just like that. So This side is done. Now I'm going on the other side. So we come on this other part, and also we are going to do the same thing. We are going to be doing single crochets all around the armhole. Yeah, just for beauty, you know. So, and if you don't want to put this, it's still okay. You can leave it the way it was. Yeah, and still your dress will be looking nice. But I felt like I should put this, yeah, to make it look nice and unique. So still under the arm, I'll put 2 single crochets in each of those. Yeah, so that I don't reduce on my size. I want to remain with the same size I made, and then after I will slip stitch. So we are done with the armholes. So now I'm finishing here on the back side with single crochets here in this opening before I attach the button. So it's still the same thing. You can as well put single crochets on both sides, or you can leave it as it is and you just put the buttons. Still it can work. So yeah, that is it. The dress, it's now done. It's done, and now we can do whatever we want. Either we gift it or we sell it, whatever we want, it's done. Thank you for watching my video, and in case you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. And in case there is any request you want to make, anything you want to learn to do with crochet, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.